Hey guys, today we're going to learn how a breadboard works. A breadboard is a board that you can make tiny projects with. Like, you can make tiny projects using LED, resistors, and all those other fun stuff. So, portion of the breadboard, the left side. So these are all connected. These rows are connected by a metal strip. And it goes all the way down. But like, this is not connected. But these are connected. Now, these are called buses. So, you will see that there's a negative sign and a positive sign on most breadboards. So, the positive rail is all connected. So, these 5 are connected to these 5. Like, these are all connected. These negatives are connected. And it's the same thing on this side also. This side, like we had this side, is the same thing anyways. So that's how like breadboards work. So you can make simple projects with it. This is a more simpler version on how breadboard works. So you can see that green is all connected. And remember, these two are not connected, but the greens are. And then these buses, so you can see that the reds are connected. So everything that's highlighted in red is connected, everything in blue is connected. And you can see here that you can like put the positive and negative, so those are meant for positive and negative for power. And you can see in the green ones that they connect horizontally but not vertically. It's like you can see there's a gap here. So yeah, that's basically the simple version on how breadboards work. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.